Good morning, sir. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Here it is.
Thank you. What's the reason for your visit today?
I'm here for a business trip.
I see. And how long will you be staying?
Just 1 week.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes. Here's my booking confirmation.
Thank you. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, just me.
Where will you be staying?
At the Riverside Hotel in the city center.
Thank you. Do you have enough funds to cover your stay?
Yes, I've got my credit card and some cash.
Could I see a recent bank statement if possible?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Have you been to this country before?
Yes, I was here about 3 years ago.
All right. Do you have any family or contacts here?
Just some business colleagues.
Understood. And you'll be working during your stay, correct?
Yes, I have a few meetings lined up.
All right. Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, I got a policy before my trip.
Good. Are you carrying any restricted items?
No, just my laptop and personal belongings.
Got it. Any plans outside of work?
Maybe a bit of sightseeing if there's time.
That sounds good. Just remember to keep your passport on you.
Will do. Thanks for the reminder.
All right, everything seems in order. Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
You too, sir.
Have a good day.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you start by telling me about yourself?
Of course. My name is Sarah. I recently graduated with a degree in business administration. I have some experience working in customer service during my studies.
Why did you apply for this position?
I applied because I believe my skills match the requirements of the job, and I'm eager to grow in this field.
What do you know about our company?
I know your company specializes in logistics and has a reputation for delivering reliable solutions to clients. I also read that you've been expanding internationally.
That's correct. What skills do you bring to the table?
I have strong organizational skills, attention to detail, and good communication abilities. I also work well under pressure and can adapt to new challenges quickly.
Can you tell me about a time you solved a problem at work or school?
Sure. During my internship, there was a scheduling conflict between team members. I created a shared calendar and adjusted tasks to ensure deadlines were met without overloading anyone. It worked well, and the project was completed on time.
That's good to hear. How do you handle stressful situations?
I stay calm and prioritize my tasks. I break down the problem into smaller steps and focus on finding a solution.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself growing within the company, taking on more responsibilities, and contributing to its success.
Do you prefer working independently or in a team?
I'm comfortable with both. I enjoy working in a team because I can learn from others, but I'm also capable of managing tasks independently when needed.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, could you tell me about the team I would be working with?
It's a small but dynamic team of 5. Everyone collaborates closely, and we value communication and innovation.
That sounds great. One more question. What does a typical day in this role look like?
You would start by reviewing priorities for the day, handling client requests, and coordinating with the operations team. It's a mix of routine tasks and problem solving.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. We'll be in touch soon with the results.
Thank you for the opportunity. Have a great day.
You too. Take care.